Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Sorry for not doing any videos for the last few months, but yeah, I've been busy. As you can see in the background, I started a new job, state-of-the-art facility. Yeah, now we're working on slightly higher end cars. You can see the Mazda just there. So yeah, the point of this video today is I've gone and done it. I've pulled the trigger. I've done one of the biggest things to the interior you can do, and that is I've bought some new seats. They're just in the box behind the camera here. So yeah, quite excited. I want to get these in. I mean, it's always been a little bit of a complaint of mine about the interior, and yeah, time to give it an upgrade. So what I'm going to do, turn the camera around, show you around the car, where she's at the moment, because I think she's still looking amazing. So yeah, I'll let you be the judge anyway, so let me do that now. Yep, so there she is in all her glory. Look at that, she's still looking good. That satin paint really stands out. And it is amazing just how many people I get staring at the car when it's parked up. I mean, you know, I'm a bit biased, but I don't blame them. Yeah. There we go, got all the side lights. So still, that's going to be in the next video, is the old ring mod that you do to these. So that's coming. But these are the things we're concentrating on today, and that is, I'll show you them in a second. But yeah, it's such a good feeling knowing that they're brand new. As you can see, the infamous Sparco logo. So yeah, I went with the Sparco Sprints. I know they're quite a common one for the Mx5, but you know, I need them to fit, because I know there are like restrictions on how wide you can have the shoulders for the cockpit of the Mx5. So the Sprints are a definite fit, so that's why I went with them. And we've got the two, not just the one. But this is the thing, in here we have, I was actually going to modify the seat rails myself, but I think it's Bofi, B-O-F-I, actually do a set of brackets. You know, I think these are about 80 quid, and they just make the whole job hassle free. So hopefully just get the old ones out, use these adapters here, and we've got the sport seats in. So yeah, that's the introduction to the video. Now let's get started. I'll try and film as much as I can, and any hiccups I might have, and if you guys are doing the same. Other than that, yeah, let's crack on. Oh, let me just get a before. We need to get the before. There we go. So there she is. Oh yeah, that's the one thing I must mention, is these. Oh, these door bushings. People kept saying, oh, they make an amazing difference. Just turn off these lights. People saying, oh, they make an amazing difference. They help with the rigidity of the car and everything like that. And I thought, nah, they can't do. And yeah, these were about, I think they were about 50 quid. And oh, I tell you, it's night and day difference. So highly recommend. Still got the yellow dials, so still going with the yellow theme. And yeah, a few more things coming, but let's get these seats in. So there's the before. Right, let's do it. Yeah, so quickly, before we get started, I just wanted to say how amazing it is working here. I mean, I have all the tools at my disposal. I've got ramps, jigs, everything, and the state-of-the-art spray booth. Check out that brand new June. So yeah, I feel very privileged to be working somewhere like that, and it makes these jobs just so much easier. So yeah, hopefully more videos to come now I'm working in this environment. Yeah, so let's crack on. Yeah, so took me what, 3 minutes. A couple of bolts at the front, couple of bolts at the back, unplug these wires. So they are heated seats. I mean, oh, excuse the mess in here, but that's places the vacuum cannot get to. But yeah, just bolts there, bolts there, bolts there, bolts there. And with that thing, I mean, it just takes off so quick. So yeah, making progress so far, so cannot complain. Need to work out how to get the seatbelt part off, and that's it. Put it onto the others. Hopefully those, like I said, those brackets do their job. So I'm gonna have a vacuum out of this and then install the brackets. So I've unwrapped the bubble wrap, and now I think it's time to actually expose what these. I've not actually had a look at these yet. Let's see what we've got here then. That seat's over there, ready for the rails to be replaced. And oh, it's not easy one-handed. How many YouTubers have said that before? Right. So yeah, check this out. And I love this detail. Look at this. It's got like the grippy rubber. And yeah, I mean, I didn't go with the fake leather. I went with the material seats. And check that out. So yeah, that's going to improve the interior tenfold. But anyway, less of that. Let's get them done. All this chatting ain't getting stuff done. So let's do this. Right, so here I am. These are actually the Bofi or BOFI. They're made by a company called Jass. But these are the brackets. So apparently you've got some identical and then these. So I think the difference is one's for the passenger side, one's for the driver's side. So yeah, these save you a lot of time having to drill these extra holes for those. So yeah, it makes so much sense to get these. So hopefully, like I said, it makes this job a lot easier. So far, I mean, I've had this seat out, the brackets undone in sliders in less than like 10 minutes. So far this is going good. I've got the seat there in preparation, so it all should just line up and go in. So I'll keep you updated. Alright, so I believe that's the rails all fitted, and yeah, there's brackets that you can see just under there. They made it so much easier. So fingers crossed it all lines up now and just bolt straight in. Right, okay, so the first one's in, and I thought, do you know what, I'll share getting in for the first time with you guys. So let me just put my phone down there. So yeah, let's do this. So there's the seat all in. I actually tucked the seat belt through here, just so it's easy to get to, because I've heard they could be tricky. So right, let's do this. Actually, I've got the steering wheel, creating a massive mess. Where's the steering wheel? There she is. Right, so here we go. So, oh yeah, oh, she's snug, but yeah, this is good. Oh, I like this. Right, yep, so I can say I actually love it. Easy to get in, sits in there, and it just hugs your shoulders perfectly. So right, not messing, let's get on with the second one. Hopefully it's as easy as that. Let's do it. Right, while I'm doing this, yes, seats in, look how cool that looks. One more time, just can't wait for the second one now. But I thought I'd just show you around. Got a nice 4S here, another Porsche over there, M135, and this, oh my god, this, look at this. The interior on this car is absolutely insane. Look at that. The step comes out, it's got the TVs. Yeah, this is definitely a level up of workshop that I work at now. I mean, we've got the state of the art. There's a Porsche Turbo that will be featuring on the channel soon, because I got permission to take that home once it's done. We've got the Hunter four-wheel alignment. We've got wheel and tyre machine. I mean, this place is just insane. And if you love cars, this is like heaven. So yeah, I mean, look at this place. It's absolutely amazing. So right, back to it. I've got to get this seat in. Let's do it. Okay, so the seats are in, and I think they're amazing. I mean, even from the back, look at that. The way you can see the Sparco just over the top. When they've got that roof down in the summer, that's going to be amazing. So check them out. Just look at that. That is sick. I'm loving that. It just adds a new dimension to the interior. Look, I wasn't sure about the Sparco branding, but from here, I am loving it. Yes, that finishes it off so nice. Can't believe it. Yeah, she's looking sick in this light as well. But yeah, there we go. So now I've got to tidy up all this mess, because we do like to keep a clean workshop here, as you can tell. Tidy this up and then the drive home. So pretty amazing. I'm so pleased with these. Oh, I'm going to be so paranoid keeping them clean now, because they don't work. I work in quite a dusty environment and I've got to get into these. But yes, look at that. Fantastic. Right, I'm going to tidy all this up and I'll see you in a bit. Alright, so yes, I will call that a success and I am done with this video now. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and yeah, hit that like button, because you know it gets me through to the next video. So yeah, much appreciate it. And yeah, let me just finish you off with a quick walk around of the car. So yeah, actually, don't know if you guys remember just how nice these lights are. But let's turn them on. Yeah, still loving it, and now even more so. Yes. Alright, catch you on the next one. See ya.